In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LinkedIn account permanently in 2025. Whether you're stepping back from social media or simply want to streamline your online presence, I'm here to guide you through the entire process, making sure it's as straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate your profile icon. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the controls you need to manage your account preferences. Once you've accessed the Settings and Privacy, look for the Account Preferences tab. This is the area where you can oversee all the general settings related to your LinkedIn account. Scroll through this section until you come across an option that says Close Account. Clicking on Close Account indicates your intention to permanently delete your LinkedIn profile. After selecting Close Account, LinkedIn will guide you through the closure process. You'll see a Continue button on the next screen. Go ahead and click it. This step is crucial as it reaffirms your decision to close the account. Now you'll be prompted to select the reason for closing your account. It's completely normal to feel a bit hesitant at this stage, but remember, this decision is entirely yours and should align with your personal goals. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Once you've made your selection, hit the next button. You're getting closer to the end now. On the subsequent page, you'll need to confirm your identity by typing in your password. This step ensures the account closure is indeed initiated by you and not someone else trying to access your account without permission. Before finalizing everything, there's an option to unsubscribe from emails and notifications manually. There's a box you can tick to unsubscribe, ensuring LinkedIn won't send you emails in the future. This step is optional but advisable if you want to cut ties completely. And there you have it. Following these steps will lead to the successful deletion of your LinkedIn account. Remember, this action is irreversible, so do ensure it's exactly what you want. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with wherever your journey takes you next.